Greetings viewers, today, we're delving into a topic many of us can relate to, the journey of reviving overprocessed hair. If your locks have seen a bit too much, fear not. We've got the tips, tricks, and a magical product which will help you to bring them back to life. Let's get started. We've all been there: excessive coloring, relentless styling, or chemical treatments. Overprocessing can leave your hair feeling like it needs a vacation. But worry not, we're here to guide you on the path to hair rejuvenation. First things first, let's assess the damage. Is your hair feeling dry, brittle, or lacking its natural luster? Identifying the issues is the initial step in crafting a tailored revival plan. Use Family Hair Care, it's your partner in the journey of revival. It is crafted with care, focusing on restoring your hair's health and vitality. Family Hair Care is 100% natural and formulated for all hair types. Think of it as a soothing balm for your distressed locks. One of the golden rules for revival: deep conditioning. It's like a spa day for your hair. You can use Family Hair Care for conditioning. It is specially designed to nourish and repair, injecting life back into your strands. Sometimes, a fresh start is the way to go. Don't shy away from a good trim. It helps remove damaged ends, allowing healthier hair to shine through. It's like pruning a garden for new growth. Give your hair a break with protective styles. Family Hair Care encourages this as a part of the revival journey. It not only protects your hair but also gives it the space it needs to recover. Hydration, the elixir of life, not just for us, but for our hair too. Ensure a generous intake of water each day to imbue your hair with the essential moisture it craves for a truly radiant and healthy appearance. A break from the heat is like a vacation for your hair. Avoid excessive styling with heat tools. If you still want to use heat styling, apply Family Hair Care as heat protectant and use low heating. Reviving your hair isn't just about the outside, it's inside too. Eating a diet with lots of good nutrients helps your hair from the inside out. When you have a diet full of the essential stuff, it's like building a strong foundation for really healthy hair. And with that, we wrap up our guide to reviving overprocessed hair. Remember, your hair is resilient, and with the right care, it can bounce back. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay beautiful,